Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Crypto Profit App. Now Crypto Profit App is by Glenn Kosky and it's been out for a couple of days now, and I wanted to go through this because there's a couple of things on here I want to point out to you in case you're looking at this for a money making opportunity. So guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one, and the idea of the reviews is you get a bit more open and honest opinion about these products before you go ahead and decide to buy them online. So guys, I will go through the actual members area and I'll take you around and show you around that, but I just wanted to point out a few things that may put you off straight away. So if I just look at the sales page here, they're obviously trying to cash in on the crypto NFT affiliate market, and you know, it's kind of big these days. There's a couple of crypto products coming out and they're all really the same thing. They're asking you to join affiliate programs of the various crypto marketplaces. Now all of those marketplaces have their own rules, they have their own requirements to be an affiliate. So before you go ahead and do any of that, go ahead to those programs and figure out if you would be able to be an affiliate for the programs to start with. But I wanted to show you something a little bit cynical to start with, and I don't usually do this, but if you look at these various testimonials on the sales page for Crypto Profit, and then you go to something by Brenda Mace called Spider System, the testimonials are exactly the same as this product, and these guys aren't related. There's no reason why they should be the same. This one by Felicity Shaw says, as an older woman who's been burned many times before, I was hesitant to give Crypto Profit a try. And this one says by Estelle, as an older woman who'd been burned many times before, I was hesitant to give Spider a try. This one, I felt overwhelmed when it comes to internet marketing, by Charisse. And this one, I felt overwhelmed when it comes to crypto Bitcoin, by Victoria. So guys, you've just got to ignore the testimonials on these pages, and it gives them no credibility. These guys have got so many buyers, I am amazed that they can't even get a couple of testimonials to say their products work. So let's jump inside. That's my aside there. That's the last time I visit this sales page, because clearly everything on here is just going to be made up. The only thing you really need to know is this is $17 on the front end, and you can get it for $4 less if you take advantage of their discount. So when I jump inside, this is the same interface they use all of the time. There's some training videos, and under the tutorial section there's a quick video there from Glenn Kosky just to say hello, and then there's this, for some reason they always have this advert for Keyword Valve there. You have some tutorials here. These tutorials take you through basically how to set up the various pages. Now the idea is you would just set up a very simple website with articles on it that people would come along to by using their secret traffic source, and then you can go ahead and sell them the Crypto Profit memberships to these various marketplaces. Now you would get an affiliate commission on everything that they decide to purchase there. Now the first thing to note is that join Coinbase, join BlockFi and join Binance, which is the various marketplaces. These are all affiliate links from Glenn Kosky. So Glenn Kosky will make money as soon as you join these. And there's also advice about once you signed up, if you deposit $100 of or equivalent into your Coinbase account, you would get an additional $10 of Bitcoin. So remember, when you sign up for any of these marketplaces, you will actually straight away be giving the vendor some money, because he's asking you practically to put $100 in there. So straight away you need to be very aware of that if this is what you want to do. So you've got a Bitcoin here, and you have the block fee here. They're all the same. Just make sure you go ahead and look at the various rules for being an affiliate for these networks. So let's jump back. Now we have the campaigns here. The campaigns here are just super simple pages in this case, and you're supposed to be able to drive traffic over to these pages, and you'll just put an article in here. There'll be a couple of buttons here that get you to click over to Coinbase, and you'll have some adverts here, and that's really the idea. You're making money. Now you're taking these videos from other people. Now these videos that you're taking from YouTube, you will have permission to actually use them if they've allowed them to be shared. The only thing is there is a very grey area here about whether you can use them to actually make money on your own site. That's not really the purpose. And also everything that's said in these videos, the call to actions, etc., will have nothing to do with your website. They'll all be actually call to actions to their own links in their descriptions, and it's easy for somebody to just click out of this and just go off to YouTube and actually go to the person who does know about crypto, who isn't you in most of the cases. So you see here, most of the time they've got links in their bios over to their own various programs. So there's no reason why you can't actually use these, but the idea usually when you share videos is that you actually share them for the benefit of the actual person that made them, not for your benefit. So That's the actual websites you actually creating. Very, very simple. And if you just go through the edit process, it takes you through that very, very simply. You go through the traffic. Now, the traffic is social media traffic. This isn't traffic unless you've got a following on social media. This is complete nonsense. Most of these sites will never get you any type of traffic unless you have some kind of following. So that's not traffic. And that's really the big thing on here, is to get free traffic over to your various offers. And that's not going to happen. Let's just show you one more of these just to show you. Again, just a back page here, a bit of a headline. And if I hit one of these, my number one recommendation, it gives you a video that's not yours. And then you can go ahead and join the program, and it will take you over to the program once it's linked up. That's the idea. So as far as this is concerned, you're not going to get any traffic over to these unless you've got an existing audience. And the other thing with this is it's not actually your website, it's their website. So if they take this down at any point, this is going to disappear. As far as page content is concerned, this is actually just additional content you can have on your page. You can come across to here and you can actually go ahead and edit these, and you can add various pages to your website. And again, this is where you go ahead and add those videos that, again, I stress aren't yours. There is a done for you section here that would be at a higher cost to you. That would be one of the OTOs. Again, same kind of thing as an NFT one here. What are NFTs? And you've got these buttons on here. If they hit this, then go ahead and join this affiliate program as well. So you can see that the websites are very, very low quality. The traffic's non-existent. And the usual thing with all of these products, they're all the same. The free traffic is always a challenge with these things, because the actual free traffic that's showing you a lot of the time has got the same issues. So Affiliate Traffic Lab, I'll leave my review below, is a product that allows you to scrape a sales page and make a very, very short video out of that sales page. And then once you've made that video, you're then supposed to share that. But you have the same issue. If you can't generate traffic and you don't understand how to generate traffic, then you're really not going to be able to make the most of that particular product. And the same with our news tracker. You're just scraping websites for news. And again, you're not going to be able to generate traffic to that either. So guys, you know, these are not really traffic solutions at all. Now you can click here for free traffic here. They give you this web page of all these out-of-date links. I don't even know what this is supposed to be. This is always on one of their pages. And then the free traffic training is this page here. You get another product, triple traffic bots, which again has got the same kind of issue as the first two products. So you end up signing up for more and more products, and you'll be on more and more lists. So these traffic solutions are never really that good. Now if I look at the various upgrades, you actually pay for these as upgrades. The unlimited here is a version that you actually get an unlimited license to this. The next one is automated traffic. If I go to the automated traffic section, this is always a series of PDFs, which are very, very low quality PDFs that tell you about traffic. Guys, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and you really, really want to build a business that's sustainable online, I do have a free training course. You'll see the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. We take you through exactly how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch. If you don't understand anything about generating traffic, we go through free traffic sources, paid traffic sources, all of that in great detail. You need to be able to learn that if you're going to create any kind of business online. So just going back to this traffic, this one is Facebook pixels, and if you add a Facebook pixel, you need to generate a custom audience. Then that custom audience you can retarget and actually market to, but you need to understand a lot about Facebook advertising. That's paid advertising on here. And then you have some of these unadvertised free bonuses. This is the 2020 traffic Rolodex. Every single one of Glim products has got exactly the same bonuses. They're not congruent with the actual main offer. They're just random offers. And this is from 2017. And again, it's just a super simple, very low quality PDF with lots of random links in it. And then so on and so on. All of these are the same thing. Click here for our zero cost guide. Again, super simple PDF that's not really showing you any information. So guys, as usual with these products, I would actually keep away from these types of products because they're not going to give you any value. They do allow you to build a very, very simple web page, but your main problem is it's so low quality and you're just not going to get any kind of traffic over to it because there is no way of getting organic traffic over to here. So the only way you can do it is by sharing your link. And who are you going to share that link to that you're going to be wanting to show this type of information too. So the OTOs, guys, the unlimited version is $67 down to $37. 100% done for you is $97 down to $47. Unlimited traffic, which is those Rolodexes and very, very simple PDS, is $97 down to $47. Automation, $67 down to $37. ATM edition is $197 down to $47. Ultimate edition is $197 down to $47. And the license rights is $67 down to $37. And these are always the same OTOs, irrespective of the product. And you could be paying circa $500 for this, which honestly is not going to give you any value whatsoever. So guys, that's my Crypto Profit app review. I know it may be a little bit scathing, but I just want to be as honest as I can with you. If you do get success with this, I'd love to hear it in the comments. Go ahead and leave me a comment below and tell me how you got on. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I do new reviews. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online with affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.